Children, we are learning The Merchant of Venice, Act 3. In the last class, we started Act 3, Scene 5. There, Lorenzo and Lancelot had a nice time, and Lancelot proved he is a true clown, and he used his wit, and Lorenzo requested him to prepare the dinner, and he has gone to prepare the dinner. He left the stage. Now Lorenzo and Jessica are there in this scene. Lorenzo, oh dear discretion, how his words are suited. The fool hath planted in his memory an army of good words, and I do know many fools that stand in better place, garnish like him that for a tricksy word defy the matter. How cheerest thou, Jessica? So his first few words, he is talking about Lancelot and saying that how he is full of wit, and how it's true that the mind of the fool are filled with words, and fool has planted in his memory an army of good words. That means they are having lot of good words in their memory to use it. And here, after telling some words about Lancelot, he is talking to Jessica. How cheerest thou, Jessica? Are you happy? And now, good sweet, say the opinion. He is waiting for her opinion about whom? How dost thou like the Lord Bassanio's wife? Whom he is asking about? Who's Jessica's opinion about whom he wants? He wants Jessica's opinion about Portia. And Jessica is giving her opinion. Past all expressing. This is a very important quote of this scene. The speech of Jessica about Portia. Underline this. It is very important for your question. Past all expressing, beyond all expression. Portia is so good. I don't have words to express. It is very meet the Lord Bassanio live an upright life for having such a blessing in his lady. So, not only Jessica is praising Portia, she is praising Bassanio also. It is very fitting, it is true that Bassanio also lived an honorable life, because he lived an honorable life. That's why he has got such a blessed lady in his life. He finds the joys of heaven here on earth. Underline this sentence, it's very, very important. He finds the joys of heaven here on earth. Children, we all live on this earth, a righteous life or doing good, just to get the place in heaven. So, why we like to be a good people? It is because we all know that if we live a good life on this earth, we will go to heaven. To get heaven, place in heaven, will be good. Here, Jessica says that the joys of heaven he is enjoying on this earth. That means Bassanio got such a good wife, Portia. Getting Portia is equally joyful as if he is in heaven. And if on earth he do not merit it, That means he should, to say that he should never come to heaven. What does that mean? He no need to go to heaven at all. See, because he has got all kind of joy on this earth itself. In reason, he should never come to heaven. Why? If two gods should play some heavenly match, here she is telling, praising Portia. So we are hearing the good thing about Portia from others' mouth. That means praising and lot of high esteem words she is using for Portia. What she is saying? If two gods in heaven, when they have any bet for something, bet, what bet? They want to say that two earthly women, their bets to earthly women, that means matching some heavenly match, and in that match two gods are having any bet. What they want to have two earthly women, that means want to, as a wager, if I win, to get two earthly women for them. So, and Portia won. So, when they look down for two women, when gods from heaven look down for two good women, out of those two women whom they are looking for, surely Portia will be one. There must be something else born with the other, for the poor rude world hath not her fellow. So then would have to be some additional value added to the other one, for this poor rough world does not have her match. So if they want to look equally good of Portia, the other woman finding it very difficult. So what she wants to say, Portia is the best lady on this earth. No other lady, no one is equal as Portia. There is no one as good as Portia on this earth. That's what Jessica wants to say. So Jessica is giving her opinion about Bassanio's wife. Lorenzo, even such a husband hast thou of me, as she is for a wife. So here first Jessica is praising Portia. Here Lorenzo is boasting himself. He is telling that, yes, I understand Portia is so good as a wife, and I am such a husband. I am how Portia is a good wife to Bassanio, I am a good husband to you. Hast thou of me, as she is for a wife? Jessica, nay, but ask my opinion too of that. No, you should not say about yourself. You are boasting. You should ask me, like you ask the opinion for Portia, Bassanio's wife. You should ask the opinion of my husband. Then I say. So Lorenzo said, I will anon. First, let us go to dinner. And Lorenzo says, I will presently. First, let us go to dinner. So let me say that let us go to dinner first. And Jessica, nay, let me praise you while I have a stomach. Here again, stomach means so I'm wishing to say something. And here I'm liking to tell about appetites. That means I cannot control my words. So I want to say, I want to praise you. Let me praise you here itself. And Lorenzo, no, pray thee, let it serve for table talk. Keep it with you. Let us have it in the dinner table. When we have our dinner, for the table talk, we'll have continue. Then, howsoever thou speakest, among other things, I shall digest it. So I don't want to hear you praising me I alone. I want others also listen to that. That's why Lorenza asking Jessica to keep it with her and we'll have it in the dinner table so that others also can hear about me, and when you praise me, and I shall digest that. Jessica, well, I'll set you forth. Well, I'll put you in your place. Okay, go. We'll go there, and I'll put you in the right place. So both of them are leaving the stage. So the scene ends. When the scene ends, when no one is seen on the stage, there it is written exeunt. Exeunt and exit has a different meaning. Exit means when 3 or 4 people having conversation, one from them is leaving the stage, exit. When all the characters leave the stage, and there it is written exeunt. So you should know that also. So here ends Act 3. All the 5 scenes are explained. Now I'll try to give some extract answers, and you will do it in your register, and in the next class we'll go to Act 4.